For me, it was a game changer. I was at a point 6 weeks post-surgery where I truly felt that at 67 years old, this might be how I was going to finish my life, was just sort of hobbling around and hope I didn't hurt the other knee by doing that. But it gave me such a new lease on life. I'm 68 years old, soon to be 69, and I can see myself working for the next 10 years as long as I continue to enjoy it as I do. And I am literally pain-free. Good afternoon. My name is Alan. I'm a residential general contractor. A lot of on-site time walking amongst construction vehicles and equipment and in and out of buildings and excavations. I underwent total knee replacement of my right knee in late December 2016. After 6 weeks post-surgery, my flexion was very poor. It was about 75 degrees. My extension was between 4 degrees and 2 degrees. And my wife became concerned that I wasn't making satisfactory progress by our standards, went online, learned about the Halley Orthopedics X10, and it almost sounded too good to be true, but I did rent the machine from Halley. They came and set it up at my house. They went through the training of my use of the machine, went through a quick 20-minute exercise. So they left me with the X10. I maxed out at 130 degrees, which is what the machine could measure after just 8 days. So we all congratulated ourselves, and I returned the machine, went to my surgeon, who was just absolutely amazed at my progress in such a short time. I'd say 4.5 months post-surgery, I returned to work. Here we are 13 months after I finished with the machine. I have no pain. My flexion is probably 137 degrees now. My extension is 0, which is ideal. I have no limitations. I've had no bad experiences. I've had no negative experiences. I got very comfortable. I can say without a doubt that after 13 months, I'm as pleased and amazed at my experience with the X10 system as I was after first finishing with it. And I would recommend this system, and I have actually, to a number of people, including the surgeon that performed my surgery. The difference between my total knee replacement and most others is probably insignificant. Good, better, best type of surgeons and outcomes. But the recovery period with the X10 is so dramatic that I'm still amazed at it.